Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. We are currently at the Ceres bus terminal here in Dumaguete because we are going to Apo Island today. As soon as yesterday worked out so well, we're actually going to get our own boat again today. We've been told it should be between 2,000 and 3,000 for there and back for the boat hire for the day. First of all, we've got to get the bus from here to Malatapai, I think, and then we've probably got to get a tricycle to the ferry port and then try and negotiate a boat.
There might actually be 4 of us this morning. There was meant to be 4 yesterday, but 2 people we met, they couldn't quite handle the red horse and the Tandawai like us, so they didn't make it. I think we're getting on the bus straight away. It's actually a really big terminal, quite surprised. There's buses everywhere going Bacolod, some going south, and I think we've got to get the bus going south for about 15 kilometers. Living today, we got the air-conditioned bus.
It feels good.
All the seats at the back to ourselves. It has limited stops.
It's just going to be amazing. It feels like a good ride. I can't lie. It's so comfy and so much
comfy.
Space.
The bus terminal itself, seriously, the best bus terminal I've found so far in the Philippines. And obviously, this being limited stops means we're going to get there very quick. 50 pesos. 50 pesos?
50 pesos each. And it should take about half an hour. So
yeah, the conductor's just going to tell us when we're there, because if not,
we would never.
I don't even know where this is heading. We'll be heading right down south. The bus has dropped us, but I'm a little bit lost. Do you know which way it could be to Apo Island? Molly, do you know what way it is?
I don't know.
I'm not sure. I think it might be down this way. I don't know how, but I've somehow made it onto the correct road. Nah, it's really well signposted for Apo Island, as you can see. And you just walk along this bit and it's full of like beach huts. This road is so nice. It's literally Instagrammable road, definitely. Loads of beach huts along here. I don't know if they used to be bars or little restaurants or anything, but at the moment they all seem like they're closed or abandoned. But I think we've got to follow this down for about 15 minutes. And I've got to find myself a boatman for the day. We've made it down and we're at like, the tourism centre. They're saying 3,000 is the minimum for 4, so you've got to pay 3,000 depending if it's all of you checking the boats out. But we're looking at the boats now, it's really, really small. We're trying to get a better price because obviously it's not peak season, I don't know, but we might add on 2 other random people, quite as dark, and then it'll be a lot cheaper for all of us. We're getting a bigger boat, we're getting a 10-seater. We've met 2 other people that are going to jump in with us, so it's 6 of us, divided by 4,000, so I don't know, it's around about 650 each, I think, which is really good to be fair. And I think it only takes about half hour to get, because you can't see here, but hold on. It's literally right there, so it's not that far. Maybe about half an hour to get there. How bad is our maths?
Our maths is so bad. I can't work it out for the life of me, but they've worked out. He's super fast at maths. So it's 666 pesos per person. So we've made it onto the boat. The sea is so much rougher here, and the boat's a little bit smaller, but I think it's because the sea is so rough you can't really have a huge boat going on here. The camera might have to go away if it gets too wet. We didn't actually bring anything waterproof, schoolboy error yet again, but we just have to pray that we don't get wet.
Bags are going inside, apparently. The wind is incredible, so I don't know. It's about 15 minutes, but I do not want this camera getting ruined. We have made it. That was very, very bumpy. Didn't get to film much of it because the camera would have got ruined, but we've made it. It's incredible. Molly is just registering us up there behind. There's so many boats here. Really rocky, so I think we've got to head down there to the actual marine area, and that's best to see the turtles. This place is crazy. incredible. Really, really rough though. Apparently it's always rough. We have to leave at 3. If we don't leave by 3, I think you have to leave the next day. I think it must be just the section of sea here is just, yeah, so rough. Lucky I didn't have money beers last night because they would have definitely coming up over the boat.
Fee has been paid. It's 100 pesos per person, but look, so behind me here where you can see there's a few people are where the turtles are. There's actually 2 species here. There's the green turtle and there's the hawksbill turtle. Not sure which ones are which because I don't actually know. I'm assuming the green one's going to be green, but yeah, there's 2 here and we just have to go out and find them. Luckily the water's really shallow, rocky but shallow, so we should hopefully see loads.
The only thing is it is really, really rocky here. It's like, oh, pebbly, very pebbly, all in my mouth, lovely. But I think, I'm not certain, but I think behind this rock down here, it's a lot sandier, so you can just chill out. There's also a lighthouse walk. I want to do that lighthouse walk later. I want to get them views of the whole island, get the drone up. We all come here for one reason, don't we? One reason and one reason only. We actually saw one on the way here. I'm getting in there and I need to see some turtles. But first I've got to get a mask. I've got to bring a mask. I think it's 100 to rent a mask for the day, so I've got to get one of them.
Yeah. My baby is 2 years old.
And we are back on the GoPro. Again, apologies about the quality. This GoPro don't seem to be working very well at the moment. Let's find me some turtles. I don't think they're going to be too hard to locate though, as everyone is out there. You probably can't even see on this, but everyone's out there. Oh, I haven't got my water shoes on though, so this probably won't be the best. It's very, very rocky, so you got to go careful. One here is literally just feeding, what, 10 feet from shore. The only thing is they're so used to humans. It's literally like 5 feet from me. I don't want to go too close to it to disturb it, but it's literally just feeding and it comes up for air every 5 minutes. It's incredible. I've never been this close to a turtle without it getting scared. It's so used to humans. It's such an amazing experience, seriously.
Turtle was absolutely unbelievable. To be able to be that close obviously isn't the best, because I don't like the fact that they're not scared of humans because they're so used to them coming in, but the absolute beauty is unbelievable. It will stay with me forever because it is the prettiest, and it was so shiny. Matt's still in there at the moment because he found some more a little bit deeper in. Obviously I don't want to go too deep because it's very strong waves. Definitely recommend if you come here on the boat to bring waterproof things, because when you're in there it is so rough, and also when you're on the boat it is extremely wet. But you can hire a guide here to take you into the water. I wouldn't say you need to unless you want like the life jackets and things, because I think you may be able to do a deal with them. But if you want to do it on your own, it's much better to just go out there and find them.
4 turtles on the first swim. That was really good. I hope I got some of it on the GoPro. It was hard to get. There was one, the original one, right at the front, but then like a group of like 20 people come around it, so I thought I'd swim out, try and find them more naturally. And 4 of them, they're incredible. You can't come to Apo Island and not find a turtle, can you? They all feed on like the algae and the seaweed on the seabed there, so they are pretty easy to find. I literally just swam straight, dunked my head under, and I found loads. But now we need to find somewhere else better to chill out, because I'm pretty sure I've put my towel in dog wee and I've wiped my... I might have wiped my face, but it might be Molly's. It could be anyone's wee. I'm not sure whose wee it is. But I'm gonna walk along, hopefully find a sandy bit, and we've got a bottle of Tandoy. We have walked round past the rock face to the other side, the other beach. I think there's a resort here, but I don't care, I'm trying to go in here. I think it's 100 pesos maybe to use the facilities, but it is worth it. The beach here is impeccable. It's so much better than the other side. I definitely recommend to walk round to the other side, because this is beautiful. I might be walking onto people's resort. I can't lie, I don't really care, it's too nice.
This side of the beach is absolutely unbelievable. Look at it, you can see it behind me, this backdrop is perfect. But you know what I fancy? I fancy a Tandoy. Matt, do you fancy one?
I fancy a Tandoy, but we haven't got a cup.
Oh, I know, we've got no cup. So what we're thinking is in our big bottle of Pepsi, just pour some Tandoy.
This water is so clear. There might not be as many turtles around this side, I haven't seen any, but now like a group tour has left, we've pretty much got this whole beach to ourselves.
It's crazy, and I think if you were to stay here, I think this is Apo Island Beach Resort. If you were to stay here,
yeah,
it is unbelievable.
So
You've got
good.
like little bamboo thatched roofs. It just looks amazing. And this view.
I wish we'd stayed here.
Yeah, I really
Sorry about
wish
the wind,
we
I
did.
took the mic off to get some. Molly wanted a photo as per.
Yeah, I really wish we stayed here.
I love this rock. What is the name of this rock? The formation. I tried flying the drone over the top of it, but I just don't know what the name of it is. Can you hear that?
What?
Can you hear that?
No.
Tandoy.
This is the life. This is how you do it.
Tandoy out of a Coke bottle, classy as always.
Beach to ourselves, Tandoy and Pepsi Max.
Oh, and I've got them sweet potato, what are they called, Mr. Potato Chips or whatever.
Yeah, there's some sweet potato chips that he likes. Crazy.
We got a friend. Who's this, Molly?
So cute. She's so cute.
And she loves,
Yeah.
she loves the potato stick. Can we
Or
give her
the
one?
cheese breadsticks. Look, she loves it. Here we go. Come on in.
Go on.
Good
girl.
girl.
Is that nice? She even likes my sweet potato crisps,
She
doesn't
likes
she?
them more than I do. She is the cutest dog ever. She's right there. Don't know if you can see her, but she's so cute. She's eating all their potato chips, and yeah, I just love her. Her little tail's wagging right now. She's so amazing. She's a little beach baby.
She is, and I am in love with Apo Island. I was a bit skeptical coming because I know so many people have been here, and I wasn't like certain how the turtles would be and everything, but
You can see why people come.
yeah, they were free. You can find ones everywhere. I've swum on this bit of the beach and I haven't seen any, but swam out far and I found them. Some of the ones that are close to shore, it's not always the best because obviously people that's bad swimmers circle
me,
round them,
yes.
i.e. Molly.
I didn't circle round him though. I did actually just sit and just see what he was up to, and he was beautiful, and it was honestly one of the most amazing things
Incredible.
I've ever seen.
And the beach is incredible. So nice. The island, the beach. Bit of a bumpy ride getting here. We're not going to go up to the lighthouse because Tandoy comes first, but we've got to leave very soon. And obviously, as we said, it's very choppy. So,
oh my god.
Yeah, what do you think? I'm not trying to film this. It's got to go under the boat, I think.
Honestly, was the roughest boat ride I've ever been on. And I was like bent over the whole journey like this, trying to cover up the camera. So I probably think it's best if we put it away.
So we'll
drink our Tandawai.
Quite strong because it's getting late, and we'll see you in the room. What a day. Absolutely incredible. I am so tired after that. I've got my gulp. Molly's editing. We've got 2 large Greenwich pizzas. Apo Island, you've blown me away, but you've also made me very tired. We're still not sure. Oh, I need to focus. Still not sure whether we're going to go out tonight to celebrate Bugla once more, but I'm going to eat all this and I'm going to have the best sleep tonight.